Hey there! Welcome to Reese Kids Play. Thanksgiving is coming up, and if you're like me, you want to make sure everyone at the table is happy, especially the kiddos. So let's dive into some super fun and delicious Thanksgiving recipes that kids will absolutely love. First up, let's talk about turkey cupcakes. Yes, you heard me right. These aren't your regular cupcakes. We're talking about moist, yummy cupcakes decorated to look like cute little turkeys. All you need are some cupcakes, chocolate frosting, and candy eyes. Oh, and don't forget the candy corn for the feathers. Kids can even help decorate them. It's fun and delicious. Just imagine those little faces lighting up when they see their turkey cupcakes. Next, we've got mini pumpkin pies. These are perfect because they're just the right size for little hands. You can use store-bought pie crusts and cut them into smaller circles. Fill them up with some pumpkin pie filling and bake until golden brown. Top them off with a dollop of whipped cream and a sprinkle of cinnamon. Yum! It's a classic Thanksgiving treat, made kid-friendly. Now, onto something savory, cheesy mashed potato bites. Think of them as mashed potatoes in a fun, bite-sized form. Mix your mashed potatoes with some cheddar cheese, roll them into little balls, and bake until crispy. These are not only delicious, but also a great way to sneak in some veggies. Perfect for those picky eaters. How about some Thanksgiving-themed fruit kebabs? They're colorful, healthy, and super easy to make. Just grab some skewers and your favorite fruits. You can even add marshmallows or little pieces of cheese in between. Arrange them to look like a festive turkey tail. Kids will love the fun presentation, and parents will love that it's a healthier option. And we can't forget about the drinks. How about some sparkling cranberry punch? Mix some cranberry juice with sparkling water and add a few fresh cranberries and orange slices. It's a refreshing and festive drink that kids will definitely enjoy. Plus, it looks super fancy. So there you have it. 5 easy and delicious Thanksgiving recipes that kids will love. Remember, the best part about Thanksgiving is spending time together and making memories. So let your kids help out in the kitchen and have fun with it. Happy Thanksgiving! Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and yummy ideas. See you next time!